Hi, so I'm going to be reviewing 3 lovely wigs, all synthetic, from Amazon. If you want to see this makeup look, go and watch my little get ready with me. I've got it, like, I'll link it somewhere, either in the description or like somewhere. Let's get right into the wiggies. I got this lovely green one, a white one with pigtails, and a pink one, a lace front pink one. Like, I've been wanting that one since like the birth of my ancestors, so. The green one is also from MapofBeauty. This one is a 31-inch, so 80 centimeters wig. And this one is $12.99. Look at this beautiful green though. This is the wig cap it comes with. I actually love these ones. Yes, these are like my favorite ones because they have the little hole at the end, so it's like way easier to put on. Wiggy wiggy. Oh, she's so shiny. This is a straight wig, so it's not supposed to be wavy. It's just wavy because it had to be rolled up. This one has a little squishy in it and a really long bang. Oh, I forgot to show you for the white wig, but I think they were the same inside. They definitely don't have any clips, so they only have like these little thingies. It's pretty good. I'm okay with that. Nearly dropped it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's cool. I like this with this top. It's very cool. Oh, this is giving me like, oh yeah, a bit of emo vibes already. I'm happy with that. Like, yeah. Yeah. She's long. What? 31 inches is this long? God. Oh wow. I mean, that's a lot. I didn't think it was this long. It looked way shorter. What is this? Yeah, I mean, I guess, I don't know, my brain just remembered it differently. Oh, on the side is this. So yeah. I mean, does that look longer or is it just me? Like this, the actual hair. Gosh, I look so emo. I'm so in love with this right now. I guess it's about right. Oh my god, I love it. I think this girl is gonna get so emo. Yes, yes. I'm so gonna cut it in an emo cut because it's like, I love it. Yes, 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 indeed. Oh, I had it on a bit wonky. Yes. Who is me? I am Green Lantern. You know, I didn't even mean to say that. I just wanted to say like green something, and I ended up saying like an actual superhero. I didn't even mean to say that. I am Green Fairy. It's like so uninspiring. Who, me? Emerald Green. Come on, let's give her a name as well. I think she's like spicy and sweet. Like she's kind of ambiguous. It's like, are you good or bad? Are you poison or are you medicinal herby medicine? Huh? Poison or medicine, baby? Like poison medicine. That's my name. Oh my god, that's weird. That's like really ambiguous. Okay, yeah. We've had her moment. We're gonna take her off. We're gonna put on the little pink one. We're gonna go and see the pink one. Look at her. There's not a lot of it, but as you saw on the front, it actually looks like cute. It looks like there was enough. I love it. I love it so much. It's absolutely gorgeous. I feel like these non-lace front wigs for just casual looks, especially for someone like me who's like very, like, I like fake looking things. So it doesn't like bother me. And I like cosplay too, so it just makes sense. Like they cost like a fraction of the price, but you're still getting what you need. Plus I really like fringes, so that's good. Okay, so the pink one comes